Welcome guys back to another Roblox video. We're already in the game. We did not expect this to happen already. Hawk is, well, we're gonna call him Dr. Pepper because he has a channel named Dr. Pepper, which he did not want. So.
Well, I wanted the channel, but I didn't want, the name.
Oh god, oh gosh.
I'm by a campfire.
Okay, you're by the campfire? Okay.
I'm by a door.
You see the house?
Door.
Okay, stay at the campfire. I know where it's at. Okay, I'm at the campfire.
I'm in the maze.
What maze?
I'm
Run, Ronnie, run, run. I forget how you run.
at the maze. I'm in the maze.
What maze? I don't see a maze.
There's a maze somewhere.
I'm at, oh my gosh. Okay, I'm trying to find the maze.
Oh no. Okay, I found a machine where if he hits me, he can capture me.
Is that you doing that machine?
No. Well, go to that thing, the computer.
Yeah. We gotta help her.
They're near me. They're coming to the machine.
Ma'am, it's not me, ma'am. Ah! Run, everybody, run! Run, everybody, run! Run, everybody, run! Run, everybody, run! Jump out the window! Okay, I don't think she knows where I'm at.
Where are you at? I'm outside.
I'm on a roof.
I'm with the girl.
No, there's a computer. There's a computer on a roof.
Find me.
1 sec, I gotta do this.
I'm by a white house.
Okay. I didn't fail it yet. Run.
She's coming. She's behind me.
Do your tricks.
What tricks?
Parkour. Go underneath stuff. Trying to get one computer done.
I escaped.
Okay.
Where you at?
You want me to set the alarm
I'm
off?
in the building. Yes. You set the alarm off.
Okay, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go in the building, upstairs, out the window.
She's coming for you. The girl got captured. Go to the girl that got captured.
Okay. I'm gonna try to get this computer finished. She's gonna come for me. Come on, 1.25. It's almost done.
I'm almost here. I'm in the building that you are.
Oh, he got finished. Okay.
Where are you? I'm in the building that you're at.
In the roof. Go on the. Okay. Go upstairs. Go upstairs.
Where's the stairs?
Let me come downstairs for you.
Okay, I found the stairs. Let's go. Come on, let's save the girl.
I got that done up there.
Let's save the girl.
Girl, we're coming. No, she's dead.
She's dead.
Yeah.
The beast is near her. Her timer's not going down. I'm risking my life for her. No!
Distract her.
I got her. I'm running. I got the girl. I saved the girl. She's coming after me. Help!
Oh, she's near me. There's 2 more computers left.
I know. I'm right behind you. She's coming. She got captured again. She's dead.
Oh no.
She's gonna die. Let's go. She knows we're coming for her.
Wait. Go. Her timer hasn't moved. Okay, go up and distract her.
Don't worry about me. Come on. I need your help.
Distract her.
What? Here we go. Help. She's coming. I saved the girl.
She got captured again.
And I can save her again. I'm behind.
What you need to do is you need to lead her the way you just came in.
Help!
I will. Hey, ma'am, I'm over here. Hey, ma'am! I'm over here! I'm over here! Okay, guys, we're trying to distract. This girl right here is almost dead. No! Okay.
Go hack computers. I've got her. Go hack computers. Okay, don't worry about her. Run.
She's going somewhere else. Follow her! Follow her! Where'd she go? Oh, gosh.
Come here. Come here. I found her. Over here.
I'm gonna go find... You go... I'm gonna go find the other 2 computers.
I said, do me a favor. You save her.
Why did I gotta save
I'll
her?
find the computers. No. She left.
Ah,
We're too good.
we're too good for her. Mm-hmm. Alright, guys, we're gonna be playing another round. Hopefully, I'm the beast again.
I'm it. I say, you. I say, we'll get back to them after the thing. Is that okay?
Yeah, guys, we'll get back to you after we get into the game. Okay, I'll see you guys when we get back. Alright, guys, we're back in the game. We're trying to find each other. Are you the beast?
No, I'm at the center.
I see you.
I'm up the stairs. Come on, help. Do not fail. Come on, over here.
Just
I'm gonna need
buddy.
your help.
I do not
know
fail.
how-
You failed it!
No, as soon as you logged on, it was over. Leader, if she comes, follow me. I've been playing this for too long.
Look at my arms. Your arms are just going up and down. My arms are going all over the place.
Yours is going up and down too. Come on, follow
Alright,
me.
this one computer done. Go.
Where you going? Over here.
Through the door.
Over here.
I went past. I'm going.
Come on. Up here.
Up.
If she comes, get in here. Do not fail.
I should get on that side.
You can do this. Wait, yeah, so we're closer to the thing.
Get in.
Oh no, stay in here. Wait, no, get over here. So she don't see our arm. Get over here. And turn this way. I don't think she's in the room. Okay, we're good. Let's go.
Oh, we're right.
What?
Get back in. It's kind of scary.
Get back! Get back here! She's gonna see you.
Whoops. Alright, go.
Do not fail. If she comes and she knows that we're in there, jump down here, and then go through the little hole. Oh no.
That's okay, we're almost done.
Go,
Run!
Go! Come on, follow me. Let's go.
Go find the next one. There's 2 more.
Wrong way.
That's fine. Trying to go through everything that...
I got the computer. I'm hacking with this bacon. Seriously, dude. Okay, we hacked that one. One left.
One left. She's screwed. Whoever's the thing is screwed. If we get this last
It's that one girl. Let me know if you found the computer.
Okay, I'll tell you. Oh, where am I? Okay, I'm gonna go straight.
I haven't found it yet.
Straight. Okay, right here's the door. This way I can get rid of it.
I'm nearing the exit. I put the bacon here.
You got the bacon here, guy?
I left him.
Oh.
He left me, so I left him.
You want me to set off the thing if I find it?
Oh no.
You captured.
The bees, we don't have to worry about.
Why?
She's stuck through a wall.
Oh, okay. You can take all.
Never mind, she got out.
Why do you say that? And when I say after, oh, good, we don't have to worry about it. And you say, oh, she got out. Don't you ever do that to me ever again.
She just got out. Where are you?
Well, what do you think? I'm trying to run through rooms here.
Go through them all. I haven't found the lost computer yet.
I heard a thump, but I think I got out of the room just in time.
I'm going through.
She's near me! She's near me! She's near me!
Then run.
Okay, the thingy stopped. Thumping stopped. I'm gonna get down on the ground right here.
I found a computer, but it's already been hacked.
Dang, that's a purple room. That's that small room. I caught you in one before.
I haven't found it.
Me neither. Why am I in the bathroom again?
We've got 10 minutes left to build this. I'm gonna hack it. Or whatever you want to call it.
She's getting closer and closer at the minute.
What? I haven't seen her in a long time.
Hold on a second. She's near me. I keep...
She is.
Oh.
I think I found it. Nope. It's already been hacked.
I'm shutting every door that was shut before.
No, leave the doors open so we know what's what. We went through.
Why? Why is this gonna happen? Bacon hair! Run! Run! Bacon hair!
It's fine. I'll save you.
No, Bacon hair's gonna get caught! I just went into the room that she was in.
I'm near you.
I'm shutting the double doors.
I'm near her.
Did I find the room? Dang it, I thought I did.
I can't find it.
Why is this last one so hard to find?
What?
Why is this last one so hard to find?
I don't know. We have to find it before the timer runs out.
Theater! Maybe no.
No, we've already hacked that
Yeah,
one.
I forgot, but we already did. Ah!
Got it, come on. Let's go.
I already looked through here. Go. Nothing in here. We already did this part. I think I already looked in there.
Ow! Help! Let's go.
Wait!
I found it in here.
Is he hacking it? Oh yes, help him! 3 people, don't fail it!
It's so fast.
Run! Go, bro, go!
Right here. I'm doing it.
Come on, hurry up. Go!
She was watching us.
Oh, sorry guys, I screamed on the mic. We're 14 minutes into the video. 15 it stops. So guys, see you in the next, well, there'll be a part 2. I will, catch you guys in the next video. And bye-bye. Like, comment, subscribe. Click that bell if you like it. Bye, everyone! Dr. Pepper, you gonna say bye? Bye, everyone.
Me.